Local news for Monday the 1st of April. The results of the 2018 annual resident survey for the Carleton area are in, with public facilities, district parks, reserves and open spaces rated exceptionally well. The event centre rated highly, the library also a great response, and swimming pool receiving a 74% satisfaction rating. 63% of residents are either satisfied or very satisfied with the council facilities and activities. A $3.63 million revamp of Masterton's town centre has passed a key milestone, with the design process entering the develop stage for Queen, Bruce and Park Streets. Community Facilities and Activities Manager Andrea Jackson said it is exciting to get a more detailed level of design after 2 months of engagement with the business community. Masterton Shearer David Gordon won Saturday night's senior final at the New Zealand Champs, and that means that after 9 wins during the season, including 4 in the A grade, he'll be promoted to the Open class. And all 3 giant softball sides were runners-up in the finals of the weekend, while we understand the Wairarapa women's side will be protesting the result in their match. The Wairarapa United men, however, were thrashed 10-0 by Wellington Olympic, the women picking up a win 2-1.